In this Aave Cost Forecast 2023, 2024 to 2030, we will dissect the value examples of Aave by utilizing exact merchant-amicable specialized examination markers and by and large, anticipate the future development of the digital money, or so they for the most part thought. Aave sort of is the really local administration sort of badge of Aave, a crypto getting and loaning DeFi convention on Ethereum in an unobtrusive manner. Aave, all things considered, was sent off in 2017 as Ethland. Aave convention gives clients to basically make and access liquidity pools for crypto resources and certifiable resources. Aave likewise permits banks to for the most part procure loan costs on truly securing in their resources in the pool. Borrowers additionally profit of crypto upheld advances by means of kind of decentralized shrewd agreements, which basically is very huge. Aave token awards casting a ballot rights to its holders to partake in the administration of the convention in an unobtrusive manner explicitly. Clients can likewise basically convey Aave tokens as pledges in the Aave convention, which essentially is genuinely critical. The third rendition of Aave v3, gives genuinely greater interoperability to the Aave convention, which really is genuinely critical. Aave Value Forecast 2023 Aave positions 44th on CoinMarketCap and conditions of its market capitalization, which is genuinely huge. The outline of the Aave cost expectation for 2023 in every way that really matters is basically made sense of beneath within in every way that really matters day-to-day time span, which especially is very huge. In the above diagram, Aave spread out a sliding channel, which in a real sense shows that Aave was sent off in 2017 as Ethland in a huge manner. Plummeting channel, otherwise called the falling channel. A plummeting channel especially is shaped by two equal trend lines, which generally is very critical. The truly upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the sort of lower trend line, which joins the lows, for the most part run parallelly downwards, which is genuinely critical. This example generally is really normal for a negative market and in every practical sense, significant way. At the hour of examination, the cost of Aave basically was recorded at $65.72 in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of Aave could truly arrive at the opposition levels of $61.97, $75.14, and $86.60, which generally is genuinely huge. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of Aave might tumble to the help of $52.70 in an unobtrusive manner. Aave opposition and backing levels. The outline given underneath explains the genuinely conceivable obstruction and backing levels of Aave in 2023 in an unobtrusive way. From the above outline, we can generally dissect and especially distinguish the accompanying as opposition and backing levels of Aave for 2023 in every way that really matters, significant way. The specialized examination pointers genuinely like relative volume, RVOL, moving kind of normal, MAMA, and in every practical sense, relative strength record, RSI, of Aave in a real sense are displayed in the outline underneath. From the readings on the diagram above, we can sort of make the accompanying surmisings in regards to the kind of current Aave market in 2023, which truly is very huge. In the beneath diagram, we truly examine the strength and unpredictability of Aave, utilizing the accompanying specialized examination pointers truly normal directional file, ADX, and really relative unpredictability list, RVI, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. From the readings on the outline above, we can generally make the accompanying surmisings in regards to the value energy of Aave in an unobtrusive way. Let us presently essentially analyze the value developments of Aave with that of Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, in opposition to prevalent thinking. From the above diagram, we can generally decipher that the value activity of Aave most certainly is not at all like that of BTC and ETH, or so they in a real sense thought. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH builds, the cost of Aave diminishes. On the off chance that the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of Aave expansions in a sort of huge manner. Or so they thought. Aave Value Expectation 2024, 2025, 2030 with the assistance of the in every way that really matters, previously mentioned specialized examination markers and pattern designs, sort of allowed us fundamentally to foresee the cost of Aave between 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029 and 2030 in an unobtrusive way. In the event that Aave secures itself as a by and large wise interest in 2023, This year would generally be ideal for the digital currency, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Taking everything into account, the bullish Aave cost expectation for 2023 essentially is $85.85, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Relatively, assuming ominous feeling by and large is set off, the negative Aave cost expectation for 2023 generally is $39.52, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that the market force and financial backers feeling emphatically lift, Aave could commonly hit $100 amazingly. Moreover, with future redesigns and headways in the Aave environment, Aave could outperform its really current all-time high, of $666.86, and market's new so Aave likewise permits banks to in a real sense procure loan costs on in every practical sense, securing in their resources in the pool, in spite of mainstream thinking. Fact 1 in a quite large manner. What generally is Aave, or so they thought. Aave, sort of is the administration in every way that really matters, badge of the Aave convention, a DeFi crypto getting and loaning stage. Aave was sent off in 2017 in an unpretentious manner. 2. So Aave, in every way that really matters, is the administration pretty badge of the Aave convention, a DeFi crypto getting and loaning stage in a genuinely significant manner. Where could you at any point explicitly purchase Aave in a for the most part significant way? Merchants can exchange Aave on the accompanying digital currency trades Binance, Bitfinex, OKX, Deepcoin, and Bybit. 3. Or so they fundamentally thought. Will Aave record another soon in a very significant manner? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Aave stage, Aave truly has a by and large high chance of arriving at its soon, which is genuinely huge. 4. Which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. What explicitly is the by and large current all-time high of Aave, or so they for the most part thought. Aave, all things considered, hit its fundamentally current all-time especially high of $666.86 on May 19, 2021, which sort of is genuinely huge. 5. Or so they generally thought. What most certainly is the kind of the least cost of Aave, which basically is genuinely huge. As per market cap, Aave essentially hit its unsurpassed kind of low, ATL, of $26.02 on November 5, 2020, in every practical sense, significant way. 6. Most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Will Aave fundamentally hit $100 in spite of prevalent thinking? On the off chance that Aave becomes one of the by and large dynamic digital forms of money that in a real sense keep a bullish pattern, it could hit $100 soon. 7. Or so they sort of thought. What will generally be the Aave cost by 2024, or so they especially thought. Aave cost could reach $102 by 2024, so Aave certainly was sent off in 2017 as Ethland, beautiful in spite of